Hello, my name is Jeannie Morris, and today I will be doing a demo to help you start your journey using SAS Viya. Upon logging in as a student, you will see this screen. If you scroll down, you will see a blue box that says Launch SAS Viya for Learners. Click on this box. It will then open a new tab and will bring you to your SAS drive. So when you first get here, you will see Courses, Model Repositories, Products, and Public. You will go over to the All section on the left-hand side, go down to SAS Content, and then click on your courses. If you scroll down, you will click on YVA 185, and then click on your Basics folder. Error messages do appear frequently, but do not be alarmed. In your Basics folder, you will see the product report for Orient Star. Click on this report to get started. So upon clicking this report, you will see your report overview. On the right-hand side, you will see where it says Supplier Analysis and Product Analysis. Both of these are brief descriptions giving you information on the tabs above. Click on your Supplier Analysis tab. Here you will see supplier locations, supplier names, number of products and profit, and then profits among different periods and the quantities sold and profits generated by month. When looking at the supplier locations, you can click on the different blue dots, and you will see that the information in the different charts adjusts to what you're wanting to look at. If we would like to further analyze the supplier locations graph, we can maximize it by double-clicking the blue bar. If you double-click one of the blue dots that you are interested in learning more about, it will open up a new tab bringing you to Wikipedia and giving you information about the country you are interested in. If you no longer want the screen maximized, you can go back to the blue bar, double-click, and it will bring you to your original page. When looking at supplier name and number of products, you are able to change the order in which the columns come by simply clicking on the name and dragging. You can also double-click and it will change the ascending order. For profit difference from previous parallel periods, you can move your cursor over the different columns and it will give you the exact number and year you are looking at. You can also double-click this chart and it will expand it to further months. Now, let's look at product analysis. Here, you are shown profit and quantity by product category, profit by product group, the profit and number of orders, and top cities by orders. If you click on these different product categories, you will notice that the information around you changes based off of the product category you are wanting to look at. As an example, let's look at shoes. As you can see by looking at profit and product groups, Eclipse shoes have a negative profit, while shoes and tracker shoes are very profitable. If you look at the top cities, you will see that London and Madrid are very successful in regards to the number of orders they receive. And this shows you both number of orders and the profits received. Now, let's look at product details. Here you are shown the number of products by product line, supplier's name, product group, product name, the quantity, and the profit. If you double-click one of the categories under number of products by product line, it will outline which suppliers sell those products. Another way of finding this information, if you would like to see something specific, is by typing it in the search bar. The search bar is case sensitive, so make sure that you are using a capital letter to begin with. Let's use the example of jacket. Also keep in mind there is not an enter button, so you must click enter on your keyboard. So after we have typed in jacket, you can go to product name and you will see that each of these products have jacket in their title. If we go to the next tab, instructions supplier, you will see the actions and links, and this gives you a little bit of information on what you can double click on to get further information. If we go back to supplier analysis, you'll find that you can also access the instruction supplier by clicking on this button right here. This concludes my presentation on starting using SAS Viya. I hope it was beneficial to your learning.